Hello and welcome to our product video BensPP Spool. Our BensPP Spool operator interface is a tool with which operators can manage spool files intended for printing. It does not matter whether the customer's application generates many small spool files or rather fewer but very large spool files. The operator interface supports PCL and PCL XL files as well as PDF and PostScript files. I would now like to show you one or two of these functions. This is the overview table, which provides the operator with an overview of the spool files that have been received and not yet processed. Here the operator can choose whether he wants to see all files or only some of them, for example from a certain queue. He also has the option of selecting according to various search criteria. At the beginning of the overview table you will see the job ID and the job owner determined by the system on the basis of various criteria. Now we come to the job title. Even if it seems obvious, this is also determined on the basis of configurable criteria and can even be changed afterwards. One of our most important features is the selective printing. This function allows you to cut out as many pages as you like from a document of your choice and reprint them. As an example, we have a document with 20 pages, but it can also be 20,000, where we want to reprint pages 11 to 16 because they broke due to the paper jam. After we have defined the pages, they are cut out as already mentioned and sent to a defined printer. Our BensPP Spool operator interface also offers a complete overview of all of your jobs, such as the date of receipt or printing, as well as the file size, pages and incoming queue. Another useful function is our PDF preview. This is generated independently of the Printjob language and can be displayed at any time. This gives the operator full control over what he wants to print, as well as practical tool to reprint certain pages. We also offer the possibility to download the original input job. In addition, each job can be individually modified in the finishing process. For this purpose, we offer our system internal job ticket. To do this, you'll first define a specific job ticket in the interface with properties of your choice. For example, number of copies, simplex or duplex printing and stapling. Now, the defined job ticket can be assigned to any job so that it is processed according to the ticket when the job is printed. On the target printer, all printers created and enabled for the user can be controlled. It is also possible to delete and archive each job individually or in groups. Now we come to another function of our table, the cloning. With our clone function, it is possible at any time to duplicate existing jobs and give them a new name. This means that the same job can be printed as often as desired with different finishing options. Do you want to print 24/7 and don't have enough manpower? No problem with our schedule printing function. With this feature you can assign each individual job its own print time or date after which it will be printed. This makes it possible to print at night without having to worry, as our failover system automatically takes over the print job in the event of a printer failure, thus ensuring that the entire print job has been printed. In addition, our operator interface offers a function with which print jobs can be analyzed. After the job has been analyzed, the operator has a wide range of options at his disposal. For example, we make it possible for the operator to simply change the tray assignments or media types with new values. In this way, the operator can design each individual print job as he or she wishes in combination with our job ticket function. Our failover system can be easily configured by the operator in the operator interface and thus perfectly adapted to the requirements of the company. Here in the archive you can see all printed and moved jobs from the spool interface. All functions are available to the operator, such as reactivating, deleting and printing, as well as cloning, as can be seen here. Also you can see when and if a print job has been printed the last time by the print date. With our monitoring tool, we offer the operator an overview of all connected printers in a short overview. For example, you can see here if the printer is out of paper or if there is a paper jam. In a separate tab, the operator has a detailed overview that can be seen here. The counter readings of the printer can also be displayed here, and thus it is possible to monitor whether a print job has been completed without having to be on site. The monitoring is mainly there to monitor the printers without having to stand next to them. This means that the operator can also work from his office in a relaxed manner. Our interface also offers a user administration where you can create different users with different authorizations. A distinction is made between users and administrators. Operators can be assigned different queues or folders with which they are allowed to work. Built-in accounting provides administrative control over the whole printing process. With accounting, all printed jobs are recorded and logged. This allows an administrator user to get an overview of who, when, what, and how something has been printed at any time. We offer an Excel export as well as a direct access to the database so that the accounting can be included in your existing workflow monitoring. Thank you for your attention, and if you already want to know more, please do not hesitate to contact us.